What's up, YouTube? Chat's gonna say hi to you again, I'm sure, because every time I say hi, YouTube. Yep, there it is. They're already predicting. Here we go. This is our day 4 solves, and we're gonna review some chat suggestions. Like and subscribe. Come hang out in chat and send your solutions in. You know. All right. Let's check out the Rust. Okay, so we're gonna read in the lines. We split in, collect in, etc. Okay, that's fine. Winning numbers and the numbers that we have. Yep, this is all fine. I mean, just saying, it's obviously not as cool as OCaml and using angstrom. I mean, look at this. I mean, but anyways, that's okay. Some people, they just like writing a lot of extra characters to say the same thing. Oh, no problem here. Okay. So winning numbers and numbers that we have. Okay, interesting. You could probably write this a little bit easier. Because why did you not put these into like hash sets, right? So you have them as vex. I would put them into hashes. Into a good old set, and then you could just get the intersection. So that would be my thing here. But this is good. I like this. Count. Plus it, minus. This is nice. This is a good realization inside the problem, right? But that's pretty good. So let's see what's the difference for part 2. Getting the numbers, that part's fine. So if it contains this, for one to count, we're gonna get. Okay, nice. Yep. So we're gonna get the value or 0. So that's okay. I'm with you so far. Then we're going to modify these. We're going to set the count plus equals the value or insert it. And then we're going to add 1 at the end because we count our own card. And then we're going to add all of them up. Okay, so this is good. I think this is pretty good. Because that's really similar to the idea that we did here where we just took the number and then counted it. So this is basically the same. But with for loops, you know, which is good. That's good. This is nice. I like this solve. I would have just used sets instead. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. You could have just also done contains, right? You have contains and not contains this. That's fine. Didn't need a hash map. Yeah, I just think this part it's a lot nicer. It's a lot clearer, I feel, if you just say like, let's get the intersection. But I'm not saying because I think it would be faster. Right, I'm not saying that I think it would be faster. I don't think that it's faster. Sets are slower, which people in chat are also saying. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying I think it's simpler to think about. Okay. Didn't know that intersection exists. Nice. Imagine using for loops. Exactly. If I see a for loop in this OCaml solve, I'm gonna have a problem. I submitted mine now. It's occurring to me it looks really bad. Well, that's the point. We're not roasting people. We're just chatting about people's solutions. Okay? We're just chatting about it. Okay. So get all the inputs, filter out empty lines, fold left. So we have a line. We're going to get the game and the winning numbers. Nth game 0, trim, split on char filter, 2, check. Split on the game. Okay, sure. All right, so we're getting all the numbers here. It is not illegal to use like store variables. That's all I'll say. This literally looks like we're in Python. Like, how many indents do we have, chat? Please tell me I didn't do it. Let me just make sure I didn't. Okay. All right, sweet. My deepest indent's only 3, so we're safe. You got to be worried after you just write the solution and don't pay very much attention that you're also going to end up with the thing I'm making fun of. You don't know. Sometimes. Oh, man. All right. Okay, so we get num points, fold left, list find this. If act 1, then 1 else act 2. Okay, Sure. All right, so that's fine. Main, let's see. So I think this one's okay. I think it's a little bit confusing just because of how much code here, but it doesn't really matter. It's AoC, so like that's fine. Basically similar strategy as what we saw before, where the main part where you're calculating the numbers is you're going to fold left. You're going to try and find the number. If it's not found at all, then you don't add any numbers. Nice. That's good. I already did today's, yeah. P2, nice. Use an array. Sweet. Same strategy. Same strategy for me here. Used an array. Walk through the lines. Add them to the next lines. You did all the parsing here again. That part's fine. Whatever. It's okay. And then you're basically going to walk forward on all those lines and add them up. Nice. I like it. That's good. Flew over his head. I told you, I'm trying to do a lot at once, buddy. You already saved me, though, with the array syntax because I couldn't remember. But I'm doing my best. Doing my best here. Yep. Can I get a code review? Yeah. Ad copy. You got one? Send it in. Only if it's in Bash, though. Otherwise, I'll be pretty sad. Look, I'm trying to derail the stream. Nice. Process data. Parse it. Score it. Sum it. Nice. Love it. So how do we... Let's see the parse. Where's parse? Nimble parsec. We're gonna have like the same thing going on here. Yep. Separator. Ignore this string. Replace with sep. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, I like that. White space. Empty white space. Winning numbers. Repeat. Integer. Ignore white space. Integer. Min 1. Oh, minimum ones that we have to have. So at least one integer value. Concat these together. Ignore white space. Tag them with winning. Are you winning, son? Our numbers. So a card is ignore card, ignore white space, get the mins. This is really cool. I like this. I like this. That's very cool parsing. I'm impressed. I like this. And this just looks so effortless to write. Good job, Elixir. Elixir, where are you? Where's our notes? Where's our notes? Nope, not this one. Nope, not this one. I forgot where I put my notes. Dang it. We had some good notes, too. About making fun of closure, getting subs. I forgot everything. That's okay. I use PopOS. Well, anyways, Elixir gets a +1 for this. Map intersections. Nice. Map set size. Then count -1. Then if it's greater than this. Sweet. This is so nice. This looks great. I really like this a lot. Cards 1 for this. Zip the cards. Oh. Oh, this is really similar to what I did. Nice. This is really similar to what I did, right? This part I do think is cool, like with the pattern matching shenanigans here. This does look good. All right, we're not gonna go over the rest though, but +1. I really like the parsing stuff for Elixir. Some of these other things, I'm not sure I 100% get everything that's going on in Elixir land, so we'll skip it for now. All right, we've got a C++. Sorry, chat. It was submitted. If you don't like it, be here and submit something else, right? Someone asked a question for OCaml style. I used a DQ stack and calculated running total whilst popping from the left rather than doing the sum at the end. I don't think that that's necessarily bad. I'm not sure, though. I'd have to look at the code and think about it a little bit more, but I don't think so. It seems fine. I see people creating lists a lot. Yeah, I think lists are sort of like the natural way to do it, unless you start running into some problems with, like, that you need to be doing an array for, like, performance and stuff. C++, you love to see it. All right. All right. Card result. Skip space. This is nice. Okay. Okay. Nice. I get it. What the heck is this underscore function naming? Oh, baby, you gotta hide those. You gotta hide those functions. You gotta hide them. But I like this though. This is cool. The Lord's loop. Exactly. Private match. Yeah, you gotta hide them. You don't want anybody to know. Number. This is fine. This. I think that this parsing. I mean, for C++. Once again, obviously, I'm just to be clear. For C++. This is nice. Like, it reads very clearly what you're gonna do, right? That thing should be a card. We're gonna split some space. Okay, so now we expect to see a digit. Great. All right, but then we expect to see some ID. Cool, great. And then we say, okay, definitely need to have a colon. Now we're gonna skip the white space. Right, now we're saying next thing should be a number. Push the next number. Skip it. Keep doing this until we get to our bar or pipe separator. Now do the same thing. No censorably for C++? No. It's C++ doesn't pretend to be anything than what it is, unlike VS Code. So that's cool. I like it. I mean, it took 150 lines to write it, which feels like very little C++. Only maybe matched by Go. You know what I mean? Teach does like languages designed by committee. Indeed. Starting identifiers with an underscore is undefined behavior. By the way, not joking. I don't want to hear these kinds of things. Okay, so this is part 1. Find the winning numbers. And then what? Card result is card result 0. Then we're going to do 1. Otherwise, we're going to do these. Plus equal to card result. Okay, that seems good. That seems good. Although, what is this? If card 4? Oh, tricky. Okay, so you're just going to check and see if any of these things find inside of here. This is some weird. This is there no just like... This is a vector, right? This is just saying if this thing's in this block of memory. Still haven't tried it. Sorry, Warforged. Weird. I don't know. I'm confused. Those are C++ iterations. This is some stuff I do not know. Heartbroken. I know. Sorry, Warforged. I'm sorry. Something about finding the thing inside the other thing. Okay. And then we're going to add the card results. That's great. Nice. Okay. For part 2, we're going to do the same thing. And we get the winning matches. So now we go, make sure we have space to add all the copies. Okay. Yep. Sweet. We get the size of it, push them all back. Great. We add 1 to everything. And then what are we going to go? We're going to walk through all the winning matches here, right? And then we're going to add those up. Okay, cool. Looks good for C++, to be clear. All right. Let's look at some bash. Day 4, easy peasy, part 1. Oh, now we're talking. Yep. All right. So what are we going to do here? We're going to start doing some, what? Ted, this is so easy. This is so easy. Okay. We're going to start splitting it here. We're going to get rid of a bunch of the beginning stuff. Blah, blah, blah. This is fine. What are we going to do? We're going to sort them by number. And then we're going to get unique them. Right? Then we're going to get the count of them. This is intersect of two sets, okay? This is intersect. Right? Am I right or no? Then we're looking for things that we're going to eliminate empty lines. And then we're going to take all the lines and we're going to take this and we're going to say calculate 2 to this power. Right? And then we're going to calc them. We're going to calc them, boys. We're going to calc them. What's intersects of one set? Sort. Oh, what is this? I combine wing numbers and your numbers into one set. Oh, unique. Unique counts the ones. This is saying not unique. What is dash D? I don't know dash D, I guess. Only print duplicates. Okay, right. So that's the intersect. Nice. That makes sense. Sweet. I love it. It's great. This is high quality. The other thing, chat, is it's gonna run. This is gonna run long after your JavaScript solution will. Oh, here we go. Now we're declaring. Okay, all right. Let's slow down. Okay, let's slow down, chat. Okay. Count. So we're gonna get the counts. We put inside of all the cards. We're gonna put 1 because we have all these cards. Okay, we have all these cards. So now we're gonna read each line. We're going to get wins. Wins is we're going to echo the lines. We're going to do the same. This is your solution from part 1, basically. Right? And so then what are we going to do? We're going to say wins is this. Right? We're going to go from J is I plus 1. Right? And make sure it's less than the count. It's less than I plus wins. J plus plus. Okay? Didn't know you could do a for loop like this. That's cool. Then what are you going to do? You're going to set cards J plus equal cards I. This is literally the solution we did. This is literally the solution we did in Oh Camel My Camel. And then we echo all of them. And we smack it into that BC, baby. That for loop is cheating. It is kind of cheating. True, I didn't do a for loop. For loops are gross. I did list, iter, I. Day 3. Oh wait, we're not doing day 3. AKA a for loop. All right. Okay, someone did one in C. It's gonna look. We'll check it real fast. We're gonna check it real fast. Card number of wins and table. Okay, nice. So what happens here? We're going to make a big table. We're going to go over all of them, and then we're going to sum them, right? And it recursively goes through everything to sum them up. This is nice. I like it. Because this is going to recurse back into itself. Recursion in C. It's a Giga Chad move here. Much shorter than CPP solution. No surprise there. So parse all the numbers, get the number of cards, then we're gonna sum them up. That part's no big deal. Get the table, memset it, go through, recursively call through, and it's gonna kind of like go to the next guys, right? And add 1 to all of these, which is cool. It's not tail recursion though. Yeah, but it completed, so it's fine. That's all you need. Okay, we'll look at this one for us because this one has a fun. This one's pretty fun as well. Because I liked. We're just gonna look at this Lexer part. I'm not gonna look at everything, but this is really cool. One thing, don't forget, chat. You can store data in the types. Okay, right? Colon, pipe, new line, card. Right? This is nice. Okay. So what are you going to do? You're going to... Oh, interesting. I didn't know you could do this. You could put the return above the function. I never seen such a thing. I've never seen such a thing. That's pretty cool, though. So then what are you going to do? Here's your parsing, right? You're going to go through and you're going to advance yourself to the next position. Advance, position, advance, 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 blah, blah, blah. We're going to walk through and you're going to call yourself until you're all done. That's pretty cool. I didn't know you could do that. This looks like really similar to how you would write it in OCaml, which is pretty fun. Skip white space, read number, read identifier, read sequence. Yeah, this is cool. Not gonna do the rest of everything, but like you can see, really nice solution. I didn't realize parsing was the annoying part for non-bash solutions. For the beginning ones, it usually is. This is way more complicated than it needs to be, but it's also really cool. So I wanted to show how it's cool. Like you can build the lexer like this, right? You're advancing through the input and then you're gonna you're turning them into a data structure. So that's lexing. Parser is gonna say, okay, I have a list of the tokens. Now I'm gonna make a card, right? That's parse, which is cool. Parse card and then panics. Nice, it's great. Very similar is nice. Hand rolling a lexer parser evaluator every day seems painful. Yes. But if that's what you want to do, then that's okay. Because it's advent of code. Okay. We're not going to... I do like, though, how you can just then eval on the list of cards. It's nice. New raid when you left yesterday was unreal. Absolutely loved it. Oh, Began? Yeah, Began is a longtime friend of mine. We go way back. We used to have a podcast together. Unfortunately, all the episodes are lost to time, basically, because Began never uploaded them anywhere. I wonder if I have any old lunch bites. I should look later. We can dig them out of the archive. Maybe we should start lunch bites again. I loved getting on a call every week with Began. Well, we streamed it on Twitch, right? So we just streamed it all the time, but we never uploaded it. Yeah, this is a really cool solution. Lean. I don't know this one. Another parsec user, eh? Hey, nice. This looks super similar to ours. Nat array. Okay, cool. So here's we're going to say parse line. We're going to return back some ID, a list of winning, and a list of losing. Or a list of ours, I mean. This is really cool. I've never seen this language before. Did we upload some lunch bites to YouTube? Whoops. I don't know why I did this. Did Began upload them? Well, this isn't the right one. I don't think so. I couldn't find any. This is really cool though. I like it. You're wrong, crew. Yeah, I was like, Began secretly uploaded it and stole all of our revenue. Seems about right. This is interesting though. This is cool. I feel like I can read a bunch of this, right? Some of these are really cool, like let this and less this. I don't know. I'd have to think about this one a little bit more. But this part looks really similar to what we have as well. Skipping string and blah blah. This is all really cool. Nope, I'm not gonna do it, Antonio. Antonio, you only just learned it, so stop. All right. Here's just making the hardest power of AR wearing a Snorlax onesie. Well, you can't trust him to upload your podcast or follow through on anything. That's for sure. All right, I gotta go to bed. Thanks for sending in your solutions, chat. Bye, YouTube.